Does your baby still not know how to go to the bathroom alone? Then show him with Mio Potty, portable potty for toddler. Ergonomically designed to provide your child with maximum comfort, Potty Chair and Toilet Trainer can be used either as a standalone potty. You can also use it on the lid of any toilet. Using high-quality materials, it can easily carry the weight of an adult, and the baby can easily sit on a straddle. The portable toilet is light and foldable, excellent for road trips, easy to transport in cars, strollers, and diaper bags. Use it on your trips or in any environment. Comes with a handy drawstring bag and potty liners, without the worry of the public bathrooms being open or catching a disease or dealing with germs. What every baby needs to learn to go to the bathroom. By BATTOP.